Sana, I hate you for this. Two, you can add three. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you all are doing great and you all are safe. So if someone is new over here, hi, I'm Mandira Siddesh and I do videos based on challenges, vlogs and hauls. So if you like this content, please do subscribe to my channel guys. It's just for free, you all can do it. Just press that red button over there, it's simple. So as you all have read by the title, this video is a date challenge which was given to me from all my friends. Like, okay, this video is gonna be very funny, so stay tuned and let's get into the video right away. Okay, before starting the video, I need to tell you all that I have 18 days, so I'll be telling everything quickly and yeah, let's go, just start it. So the first one was open the main door of my house and bath for 30 minutes. Yeah, just see it. Best and funniest part is coming right now, so come, let's do that. Okay, the next one was to tell my mom that I'm gonna quit college. Dude, if I tell this, there'll be a huge controversy in my house because I've done this before. Because I was so irritated. I didn't tell that I'll be quitting, but I just told I don't want to read for my exams. They're like, I'll tell your dad. Like, my dad is too strict, so I'm not gonna do this. I'm so sorry. So the third one is very weird for me because I've never done this, okay? Like, I don't do all this stuff. I'm funny, I know, but not this much, okay? So the dare was I need to go on Omegle app or .com or something, I don't know, okay? And then I was told to make a friend over there and post a video. And yeah, you all need to see that right now.
So guys, I don't have any idea about this thing. Like, I need to talk to strangers. Like, it's weird, but it's fine. I'm gonna make it fun, so let's go and do it. Tell something for my YouTube channel, if you can.
Oh, so hi everyone, welcome
To Mandira Siddesh channel.
yeah, it's super cool channel and it's so amazing to see and speak with
Mandrina, which has amazing eyes, and hope you have an amazing day with Marina. And I think it's a very cool life and lifestyle. And,
Cute.
yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, how can someone be so sweet to just tell me that go take a ice cream and tell them to add how many ever scoops they can add and eat? Like, dude, you have my heart, okay? Please, such a good person you were, okay? And I did it. Watch it. So on one cone, how much ever scoops can you add? Waffle cone. What? Two, only two, or you can add three? Two. Oh, fine.
Okay, later on I just told them to add 3 scoops and they did it, and just see me happily eating over there. Yeah, that's me when I have ice cream. You all must know that, right?
Okay, fifth dare was something very special for me because I do this all the time but not on the video. And yeah, coming to the point, my friend Shushti, like, she was like, okay, go give respect to elders and tell them they're doing a great job without knowing. Like, they should not know that I'm recording a video. And dude, in the gym, like, you all need to watch the video. In the gym that happened, I was so happy, like, okay. And also she told to do like 5 people, then I cut down for 1 because it'll be a long video, you know that. So yeah, I have done with 1 person. You all need to watch that woman. She's crazy, guys. Watch it.
Okay, right now I just saw one of the eldest woman in the gym right now, and it's like, what time? 6:27 in the morning. I don't know how, but yeah, I'm thinking to go and do this there, but I don't know how to record it, so stay tuned. Good morning. Hi. How are you, ma'am? Like, I'm so impressed by you today. Like,
Too much, I just come for
hey, uncle, right? Sure. But it's so good. Like, people don't like. When I saw you, I'm like, what's this? I never seen.
it becomes a way of life. It gives me a good start for the day.
What's your name?
My tea.
Mine.
And you?
Mandira.
Monday.
Yeah.
You are coming regularly?
Yeah, I come regularly, but in irregular times. I don't have a proper time, so.
Okay, that's good seeing you for the first time.
Yeah, like when I saw you, I was so happy. Like, how can some elder person just do all this stuff in the morning? Nice. Yeah.
It's good to see youngsters working out that I get motivated.
Yeah, very true.
Okay, the sixth one was to drink a Coke, like chilled one, like 20 rupees Coke. Just wait. Okay, I have it. Let me give it a try. I don't usually drink Coke, Spirit. Oh, no, not Spirit. What is that? Sprite. And what else? What else? It won't come. No, I don't know. It should not come. That's all. Or else I should clean. Dude, I don't drink all the stuffs. I only drink Mazda and then milkshake, something like that. Fruity thing. 110 calories. It's okay. It's so weird to drink all these stuffs. It's okay. By the end of the video, I'll just show you all that I have almost finished it, okay? For sure. I'll be drinking in between. You all can watch it also. Okay, I'm gonna finish it, but
I'm full. Huh? What is this drink? It's weird, but I'm gonna drink it before this video ends, okay? For sure.
yeah, the next day was to wear my brother clothes, shoes, and all. So I have done it. It's very simple there. What is this, Dhyan? It's easy for me. So yeah, watch it.
Okay, do I look good? My God, this one. Oh, that's it. Yeah. His shoes is fine. I'll wear it just a minute.
I guess everyone are obsessed with my brother or what? Like almost half a day is on him, or I should do something with him. What is this? Huh? Coming to the point, I need to brush my teeth with my brother's brush. What is this? I'm gonna do it. Watch it. Sarah, I hate you for this. Okay, the next one was to stand on someone's stomach, and guess who was that person? It's my brother. Yeah, I did it with my brother, so watch it. And I got screwed also. Like, channak baida nange. So watch it.
ನಾನು ನಿಂತ್ಕಿಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮುಗೀತದ ಇವಾಗ
ತಾಳ ಉಸಿರು ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ.
Okay, the next day was to deadlift my present weight, and also coming to the point, I have done it. Okay, like it's not my present weight, but I have gone like above 50, like my weight is above 50, okay. So the thing is, you all can't deadlift all of a sudden, if you all know that. And also I didn't want to do all of a sudden, and that was my second or third time. My form is like totally bad, like it's too bad, but it's okay, I have done it, so watch it. Should be uncomfortable, and also if not, I should wear some. This coke is so bad. I'm getting everything back, guys. It's hurting over here. This is the first time I'm drinking coke. I'm not even kidding. I don't drink. I usually drink only so much of coke, like in a glass. If it's there, I only drink so much, and this much of coke is affecting me. I'm not even kidding. I'm getting that vibes like this. This is hurting. Okay, the dare was to wear something which I don't usually wear. And coming to this point, dude, you don't trust me, okay? If okay, listen. You all can see this in the upcoming video clips. This is full sleeves, and upon that I wear a hoodie or anything. I don't know how, but I'm getting used to all this stuff from, I guess, 8th standard. Like there was one ma'am called Shashikala. Like that ma'am was so good. Like Shashikala ma'am was so good, and she just told me this, okay? Like wear something on you and then roam. And from 8th standard, I can't go like step out of my house without wearing something on my top or whatever I'm wearing. Like I need something like jacket, and I don't know. I'm giving up on this dare because I don't know. I can't do it, and also there is no favorite character because I don't watch TV. I'm so sorry. Okay, the next one was to dance in my college premises. Like, I can do it. You need to watch it, that's all.
Okay, there was one person who just asked me, I was in law college because I was standing like an idiot over here. And I'm just debating that no one should be there, okay? And that is not happening. There are few boys, like they're roaming, and it's irritating.
Okay, that is me who was dancing over there. Like, can you all see it? Yeah, that's me. I did it, okay? I was happy, but I was so worried and I was so tense because we have CC cameras, you know, like CCTVs.
Like, dude, I just danced in the college premises. Like, I'm alone too, but I did it. I'm happy, but I'm like, it's so weird to dance alone, okay? Like, at least I want some people I can entertain, but it's not me. But it's okay, like the college, they won't open. Yeah. Okay, the next day was to visit a restaurant and then ask a number from a guy who has already visited a restaurant or who is there in the restaurant. So, I did it. I was so tense to do it. I don't know why, but that person was so good. Yeah, you all need to watch the video.
I'm just thinking not to ask because it's weird. I guess I asked their name, it would be fine. I think if I had someone next to me, it would have been good. I'm alone and it's weird to ask. But ice cream is too good, okay?
Okay guys, if you all don't like ice cream, please do send that across to my place. Simple. I would like and I would love it. And also that is me just going and approaching the stranger and just telling him all the things like about the date challenge, and then I explaining everything, and then I told, you know, see the camera over there, yeah, that's me just telling the same thing over there. And yeah, he was good and he was like, okay, fine and all. And then I didn't get their number because that was weird. I got to know their name and also Instagram ID, and we are following each other. Simple.
Okay, in this day, the person told me to do makeup without mirror, and I've tried my best to do it. So you all need to watch this, and I've created the same look. So yeah, watch it.
Okay, let me tell you all something like very nice tip if you're not having any mirror around you, and then if you want to do a makeup, just that guys, apply everything in a very less quantity so that it fits in to your skin and it blends out properly. That is what the technique which I used, and yeah, you all need to see the results, so stay tuned just for next few seconds. Yeah, that's me applying the eyeliner too, and very like I was so surprised because one was good and one was bad, but it's fine.
Okay guys, as you can see, the makeup look is so pretty. Like, I look pretty, it's fine. With or without makeup. That is me, that is Mandra Sudesh, so let's go. I think I'm good to do makeup without mirror too. Let's go.
Okay, the next day was to eat my favorite meal, like very spicy meal within 2 minutes, and yeah, that was horrible. You all need to watch it.
Okay, if you all know me, you all must know this, right? I just love to binge on this like all the time. I can eat thrice a day also, but yeah, I was not able to complete this challenge in the end.
This day, they just told me to take selfies with random people, and that was weird, okay? And I got the reality of people, how they work, because there were so many people who told no, and I know, like, I was alone. And yeah, you all need to watch the video. Like, I got a picture, there was a girl who just told me okay, but yeah, you all need to watch the video. Go watch it.
Guys, you know what? Like, every time I was ignoring, like every time I was ignoring, now I'm feeling so weird and so bad. Because no one is turning, bro. Like, I can't go. At least I'll get the nice girls, please. Nice girls, gang. Please. Hold on. 1 second. Stop. Okay, I'm so happy. One of the girls, like, she was like, okay, don't just tell my name or where am I from. And she was so sweet. She was like, okay, I'll give. But yeah, she was roaming without her parents' knowledge. So she was like, just don't add my name or something. I'm like, dude, I'm done with this there.
Okay, in this day, they have told me to go to any neighbor's house and then ask them, can they adopt me? Guys, you all need to know that I don't speak to anyone in this apartment, leaving one girl. Like Raksha, that is the only thing I've done. Like, recently only I started to speak to her, and today morning I spoke to her mom, and it was so good, okay? So I don't have any neighbor or someone who's that close to me so that I can chill. But yeah, Raksha's mom is too good. But coming to the point, I have Sanjana, but she lives very far from me, and Harshita very far from me. So I can't do that. Okay, this weird dare was given to me from my friend called Nikhil, and he told me to do all the stuffs in the gym, and I did it. I'm so sorry, Hari, but Nikhil, it's okay. Yeah, so go and watch it. I just gave my try. I just did my best, okay? And that's me. That's how it works with me, okay? Go see me just hitting Hari. Go!
That is me who was waiting for him to finish the deadlift, and yeah, took a take, and then he told, wait, I have the last one. Then I'm like, dude, I'm waiting for something else, don't mind, you can do it. And then the first attempt went wrong. Like, yeah, that happened.
I'm done with the dare, Nikhil. I'm so sorry. So the next day was to go and fight in a shop. Guys, I'm not gonna do it. Vandana, what is this? If I do this, this will be so bad for my personality. I don't know why, okay? I can go and bargain, but not fight with any person. I'm not that kind of girl. I do fight. I'm not telling that, oh, I don't fight with anyone or something. No, I do fight, but fighting with some shopkeeper is so bad. They'll be cursing me for no reason, and I should fight for no reason. That's the point. But I have H&M in the list. I'm gonna do it. So watch it. After this video will be posted, I guess I'll be posting that video on my shorts. So you all need to watch me fighting with H&M people. Okay? The last dare was given to me from one of my friends from Instagram, and she just gave it to me like last night. She was like, are you done? Then I told no, I haven't done with the video. She was like, can you do this challenge? And I accepted it. You all need to watch me just cutting my bangs right now. Okay guys, let's do this. I guess, I don't know where I'll be doing it because I need a mirror and all. Just a minute. Okay, right now I just got the partition properly and I'm just scared, okay? I don't want to mess it up because my birthday is coming. Why will I even do this?
I'm so scared to do this. Laura, please. Okay, as you all can see, it's this long, but I'm just tense to do it because first of all, I hate my hair and this styling is for me. I did it. What? Okay, look cute. I don't know how I look this.
Hey guys, I just did this. Hopefully my mom will see and she'll screw at me. Till that time I won't tell her that I chopped it. And also coming to the point, I don't know how it looks, but I guess it's looking good. I did it. Okay, the last day was for me to go and dance in a signal. I just told my mom I'm gonna do this, okay? And she just told, if you do this, I'm gonna make you stop doing YouTube. I'm not even kidding. She just told this sentence. In a dance ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬೇ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. She told us, she was like, I won't let you do it. And I'm like, okay. Because I know my mom will go and show my dad. And my dad is so strict, like you all can never guess it, okay? My dad is that strict. And he'll just hit me for sure, no matter what. Even if I'm 21, he will hit me, I know. No, I'm 20, I'll be 21 very soon. So I'm not gonna do this. I badly want to do it. Even I practice the dance, you know. But yeah, my mom told not to do, so I won't. I'm this girl who accepts everything what their parent tells, okay? I'm a good girl.
Okay, it was not a dare, but 3 of them told me to do so, and I did it.
Guys, right now I was about to leave to the college, but then I thought, okay, I'll give. Like, there are few people over here. Like, it's next to my house. Can you all recognize this? Yeah, there's a ground and they're working. Like, few people are working over here. So I thought, let me give them. Yeah. And then go to the college. I'll go. Yeah, bye. Okay, guys, right now I'm just done. Like, giving. I had 13 boxes, and then I gave. Like, people over here, they were working. I got like 7 people over here and 7 people over here. But one was like, I don't want to eat. Then like 13 people took it and I'm done. Oh God.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video was fun. Not hopefully, it was fun, right? So please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Meet you all very soon. Bye bye.